Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to check my voice quality and my video qualities as well, how it's actually working, and at the same time I will try to teach English language to other people, because as I know so many people in this world, in this country, basically in my country, in Bangladesh, so many people have been facing so many problems about their English language. They are suffering a lot and they are struggling a lot on their English language. So I would say I am here still to help so many people who is facing lots of problem of their English language, right? So I am going to be an English teacher, and I'm going to be not it's kind of teachers. I'm going to be English. The people who want to learn English language, the people who is suffering a lot, I want to help those kind of people, right? So if you need any kind of help from mine, let me know in the comment below, or you can message me directly. There is no problem, because I am completely free for the people, for all of English learners around the world. It doesn't matter what time of clock now, and it completely doesn't matter where you're from, right? So you can call me anytime, you can message me, text me anytime, whenever you want. So I want to tell you one thing, bro, that I have been learning English language for a long days. It's been more than 4 to 5 years, right? So I gained lots of experience about it, how you can learn English language. But the really main important things, which is I never ever been to anywhere else to learn English language, right? I didn't get any English speaking course. I didn't get anything else to learn that language. I still learning English language each and every day, and I'm trying to push myself into the next level all the time, because I have a big dream about English language. I want other people should know English language very well. I want to help so many people around the world who is facing lots of problem of their English language. So feel free to ask me any kind of questions, and don't be shy to making mistakes about English language, and don't be shy to using English language in front of the people, because it's completely doesn't matter what other people thinking about yourself, right? So the main important thing is, man, the main important thing is you can speak English or not. But if you are able to speak English language fluently and confidently without making any mistakes, probably so many opportunities is going to be unlocked for your future, right? Your career will be bright. You may be able to communicate with each and every kind of people around the world. You can make a business with international clients. If you are a freelancer, right, so you have to communicate with different kinds of people each and every day, right, in order to getting order, deliver your order, and all of those things, right? So can you imagine, English is really very important. If you want to give a competitive exam a few days later, or in the next year, or something like that, probably you should have good fluency, and you should have to know good English grammars in order to getting a great band score, or getting a high score in your competitive exams, right? You have to cross any other people. So you should know better than any other people, right? If you want to get the better mark than any other people. So those all of my advice today, because I am here only because of making a English videos, and at the same time I am trying to check my actually microphone that it's working or not, right? So at the same time I try to give some like enthusiast. I always try to encourage other people to learn English language, because it's really very crucial. And I never thought that I could be able to speaking English language with other people. I never thought that I could be able to fluent English speaker, right? Because I did not read English medium schools, college, or anywhere else. I didn't get any course. I didn't have any English teachers and all of those things, but I have learned that language by myself and completely free, so but you cannot say that it's completely free, because I made a big effort to learn that language, because I didn't have any tutor. But as you have a tutor, that would be really very easy for you to learning English language, because these people have a lots of experience about English language, and if they share their experience with you, if they make your mistakes perfect, and if they make your mistake correct, probably you are going to learn, probably I'll learn something new from your teacher or something like that. So I would say having an English teacher or having an English mentor is really great. If you have that, this is a great, right? But at the same time, I would say nowadays world becomes so closer, right? World becomes so faster. You can get anything you want from online, from Facebook, from internet. You can use ChatGPT in order to learn English language. You can use any other things to learn English language. You can have an English speaking partner. You can talk each other in order to improving your English language, right? So there are actually many other ways to improving your English language. But if you have dream that I must have to learn English language within few days, so in that case you should have an English mentor or English teacher or something like that. So those people will teach you English language. Those people will share their experience and share their knowledge, so many different kind of information that is definitely going to help of you, right? Help of your English language. But these people should have knowledgeable, these people should have experience about it. But you know, only qualityful people can teach you English language effortlessly. But here in Bangladesh, the one more natural situation is going around for us, right? So many people doing study at university level, so many people doing study the greatest university in Bangladesh, right? The high quality universities in Bangladesh, but even they couldn't speak English language. They cannot speak English language because they never ever tried, because their teacher told them, if you want to learn English language, you should do grammars and many other things. But those are all of the things make students so disappointed, because grammar is a wide range, right? There has numerous grammar rules, different kind of grammar rules, and whenever you speak with other people, probably you are not going to get enough time to think in English language, think in English grammars and all of those things. So in this case, what happened in your brain, man? In that case, your fluency will be decreased, right? Your fluency will be decreased, go down a little by little. So instead of that, I would say never ever try to English grammar at the very first things, at the very beginning stages, right? So you have to try to another process. You have to try to improve your fluency. You have to try to expanding your vocabularies, use all of those things in your daily conversations, in your daily sentences and all of those things, right? And after that, you can make perfect of your grammar. You can read different kind of grammars, because yes, definitely grammar is necessary for speak with other people, because if you don't know English grammar, so how would be you confident enough that other people is understand you? If you don't have the knowledge about English grammars, probably you don't be understood that you are talking the right sentences or wrong sentences and all of those things, right? But at the beginning stages, I would say you must focus on your fluency, you must focus on your communication skills. But if you are being understood to other people, that's enough, because your main goal is to speaking with other people, making conversations with other people. So in that case, I would say, yeah, you should focus on your fluency, you should focus on your spoken part only. So hope you enjoyed it, and I will make another videos about English language next time. And I took a decision, I'm going to make English videos each and every day, and this is only because of to helping so many people, and it's completely free. If you are watching mine, if you are watching my videos each and every day, probably you are going to learn English language. It's completely free, you don't need to make any cost for it, and you should stay with mine to getting updated videos, getting informative videos each and every day, right? Because my dream is dream. I took a decision that I am going to make English videos each and every day. So yeah, anyhow, I have to make at least one videos per day for my people, for my YouTube channel and my Facebook page as well, because it's become my hobby to making English videos for people, and it's become my hobby to helping other people to learning English language. And I am going to launch a really very interesting things where other people should get lots of information from mine, where other people should get where other people will must get lots of benefits from my videos and from myself as well. So till then, hope you enjoyed it, and till then, keep healthy, take care of yourself, learning English language consistently, learning each and every day, and best of luck for you, every one of you guys. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.